to the Lift Professional training video, your comprehensive guide to mastering the cutting-edge technology of the Lift Professional machine by Carlton Professional. This advanced system is designed to deliver exceptional results in galvanic, high-frequency and microcurrent treatments, providing your clients with a rejuvenating and revitalizing experience. This is a unit that truly offers prescription facials with combined or individual treatments. The Lift Professional machine is a versatile and powerful tool in the hands of skilled beauty therapists, combining galvanic, high-frequency and microcurrent technologies, each offering unique benefits to target different skin concerns. Galvanic treatment is renowned for its ability to deeply cleanse the skin, enhance product penetration, and revitalize the complexion. The Lift Professional allows you to harness this technology through iontophoresis and desincrustation. High-frequency treatment is a powerful tool for targeting acne, reducing inflammation, and boosting circulation. The Lift Professional offers high-frequency treatment with both direct, which is excellent for stimulating and treating oily skin, and indirect for warming and smoothing massage for more dry or mature skin. Microcurrent therapy is a non-invasive treatment. It uses low-level electrical currents to stimulate facial muscles, improve tone, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The circulation and lymph drainage helps remove toxins and improve skin color. We hope you enjoy this video. We encourage you to take your time, take notes, and rewind if needs be. It is absolutely vital that you read and refer to the instruction manual supplied with the machine, along with the training manual, which you will find online at carltonprofessional.com under Carlton Hub. Remember your contraindications and carry out a thorough consultation first. If you have any queries, refer the client back to their GP. Stimulation of the skin and dermal tissue can affect Botox and dermal fillers negatively, so ensure you have left the correct amount of time. Contraindications are a guideline only for any treatment. You, the therapist, will have all the details from your consultation to decide if the client can have the necessary treatment. This is turning on and setting up. Before commencing any treatment, check all intensities are set to minimum and you have the unit switched on at the mains and the back. Please note that you must ensure that you have the treatment selected if the unit requires this. All leads are connected with correct electrodes. Always have intensity on 0 to begin and return to 0 before the last electrode is removed. Please remove all jewelry from the client and yourself. Cleanse and tone the skin with the appropriate cleanser and toner. Then you'll apply the Carlton Electro Lotion, and this helps to override the skin's natural resistance to guarantee the best treatment. If skin dries during treatment, please apply more lotion. And then apply desincrustation gel. Desincrustation is the facial treatment that uses an alkaline solution and galvanic current to soften and loosen clogged pores, making extractions easier and more effective. It's ideal for deep cleansing oily or acne-prone skin. Attach both black leads and red leads to the machine. Give your client to hold the indifferent electrode wrapped inside the dampened sponge cover, which is attached to the red lead. The client holds this for the duration of a galvanic facial treatment. Attach to the black lead your cleanse electrode with a dampened sponge inserted. Switch to the negative polarity. This means the black lead is negative as the products you are using are ionized negative to positive. Apply the cleanse electrode to the skin and gradually increase the galvanic intensity dial to the required setting. At any time during galvanic, if the client feels a slight tingling sensation, which is possible, so advise the client to tell you of any changes felt on the skin, switch the intensity down slightly until comfortable again. This treatment should last between 5 and 8 minutes. To finish, turn the intensity to 0, cleanse, removing the cleanse electrode from the skin, and then remove desincrustation gel. Iontophoresis is the next phase for your galvanic treatment that uses a galvanic current to help penetrate active ingredients deeper into the skin, enhancing their effectiveness. It's commonly used to hydrate, calm, or treat specific skin concerns. Apply the relevant ampule, directly followed by the relevant iontophoresis gel. Your client should be holding the indifferent electrode in its sponge. Attach the twin ball electrode to the black leads. Place one electrode on the skin and increase intensity to the required level using the galvanic intensity dial. Then add the second electrode to the skin and please confirm that the client is comfortable. After required time, reduce the intensity and take the twin ball off the skin. Reverse polarity to positive by the switch on the unit. Place the twin ball back on the skin and increase intensity. Cover the face and neck several times to restore the pH level of the skin. To finish, turn intensity to 0 and then switch off. Please note the iontophoresis treatment can also be performed using the galvanic rollers. Remove the indifferent electrode the client is holding. Remove gel with warm water. We then recommend a hydrating mask followed by a serum and a moisturizer. Turn off and clean. Dispose of the cleanse sponges. Wash and wipe the electrodes. Fold the cables loosely to store. Turn on and set up. And before commencing any treatment, check all intensities are set to minimum. You have the unit switched on at the mains and the back. Ensure you have the treatment selected if the unit requires this, and all leads are connected with the correct electrodes. Always have intensity on 0 to begin and return to 0 before the last electrode is removed. Please remove all jewelry from the client and yourself. Here's the procedure for direct high frequency. Cleanse and tone the skin with the appropriate cleanser and toner, and then apply a thin layer of Carlton oxygenating cream. Oxygenation increases the benefits and reaction to the skin, and put your chosen electrode into the high frequency handle. Place a layer of gauze to cover the skin, creating a gap between electrode and skin, and this intensifies the treatment and allows electrodes to glide over the skin. Check intensity is at 0, place electrode on the skin, and gradually increase intensity to the required level, and work over the area for the required time, turning intensity down before removing the electrode. Different electrodes can be used to treat the areas, and please again refer to your manual. Remove the gauze and oxygenation cream. Cleanse, then follow with a suitable moisturizer for your client's skin type. Turn off and clean using warm water and soap, and then follow with an anti-bac wipe. This is the procedure for indirect high frequency. It's imperative that the therapist and client remove everything metal and neither party touches anything metal during the treatment. Neither therapist nor client should be pregnant for this procedure. Cleanse and tone the skin with the appropriate cleanser and toner, and then apply the Carlton oxygenated cream to the area. Put the indirect electrode in the handle and give it to the client to hold, and entwine a towel around the handle for secure hold and comfort for the client. Put one hand on the client area being treated and gradually increase intensity. Put the other hand on the skin and commence indirect massage. Ensure one hand is in contact with the client always. To stop, remove the one hand from the skin, lower intensity to 0, then remove the other hand and release the electrode from the client. Remove the oxygenated cream and treat your client with the relative products. To turn off and clean the glass with warm soapy water and dry with a damp cloth followed by an anti-bac wipe. Please keep the silver end of the electrode totally dry. Microcurrent. A microcurrent option offers contour lifting by reprogramming muscle fibers, which improves fine lines and wrinkles. The circulation and lymph drainage phase helps remove toxins and will improve the skin colour. Microcurrent for the arms, we have a separate video. To turn on and set up, any treatment you have, please check it's in place and that you have the unit switched on at the mains and at the back. Ensure you got the treatment selected if the unit requires this, and all leads are connected with the correct electrodes. Please remove all jewellery from your client and yourself. Cleanse and tone the skin with the appropriate cleanser and toner. Apply the Carlton Electro Lotion and Desincrustation Gel, and this helps to override the skin's natural resistance to guarantee the best treatment. If the skin dries during the treatment, please apply more gel. Turn the machine on by pushing the start button. Turn the intensity dial to 1/4 of maximum output. And if at any stage during the treatment the client expresses any discomfort, the intensity may be lowered. Apply both cleanse electrodes with dampened sponge to the black lead, which is negative, the cathode, and the red lead, positive, the anode. Hold the anode in contact with the skin's tissues in the neck area, moving slightly, ensuring there is product on the skin. Perform desincrustation with the cathode. Work all over the face and neck in circular movements, and you'll find the timings in the manual. On completion of the cleanse, the machine will bleep and automatically return to standby. The red indicator light will be on with an audible bleep at regular intervals. This ceases when the start button is depressed and released, allowing the machine to continue through the lifting, ionto, and pH regulating sequence. Apply electrolotion and change to facial lifting electrodes. Increase the intensity to half maximum output, and if at any stage during the treatment the client expresses any discomfort, the intensity may be lowered. Press the start button to commence circulation. Note during circulation, lymph drainage and lifting phases, only electrolotion needs to be applied and reapplied where necessary. For circulation for the forehead, start at the centre of the forehead and glide the device upward towards the hairline and repeat in small sections across the forehead. For cheeks, begin from the centre of the face near the nose, moving the device outward and upwards towards the ears, and focus on lifting the cheek muscles. For the jawline, start at the chin and remove the device along the jawline towards the ears in an upward motion. Around the eyes, use small, circular motion, particularly on the brow bone and under the eyes, and this can help with lymphatic drainage and reducing puffiness. For cheeks, apply circular motion on the cheeks to stimulate blood flow and muscle toning. And for the neck, start at the base of the neck and sweep upward toward the jawline. This encourages lymphatic drainage and improves circulation. With quick medium pressure, cover the area 10 times, approximately the whole face per minute. The machine will bleep, showing you've moved to the next sequence of lymphatic drainage. For lymphatic drainage, it's the same electrodes being used. Start with both probes moving away from each other towards the lymph nodes, and this should be a slow movement with light to medium pressure, and cover the area 3 times in approximately 10 minutes. For the neck, work both electrodes away from the center of the neck, always avoiding the airways, and glide both electrodes from the side of the neck downwards to drainage node. For the jawline, work both electrodes away from the jaw towards parotid node. For the cheeks, work both electrodes away from the nose, again towards the parotid node. For the forehead, work both electrodes away from the center of the forehead downwards towards the parotid mode. The machine will bleep, showing you've moved to the next section, which is lifting. For lifting movements, for the neck, keep one electrode stationary at the base of the neck and glide the second electrode upwards towards the lower jaw. Tighten and tone slack muscles by using the grab movement on lines in the neck. For the chin, work both electrodes in a sliding motion away from the center of the chin to the upper lower lip and the base of the chin. For lower cheek, work both electrodes using a grab movement, then alternating to a slide movement. For the neck, work both electrodes away from each other in a sliding movement, working on fine lines. For the eye area, work both electrodes using a glide movement. Keep one stationary at the outer eye area and move the other to the inner lower eye and repeat above the eyelid, the orbicularis oculi. Work both electrodes using a glide movement. Keep one stationary at the outer eye area and move the other outwards towards the hairline. Work both electrodes using a grab movement on the outer eyebrow, the temporalis. The machine will bleep, showing you've moved to the next section, iontophoresis. Apply your ionto gel and an ampule to the face and neck and work on the skin as per the cleanse movements, and working until the machine bleeps to advise the next sequence of pH. For the pH balance, as the machine automatically reverses polarity for the pH regulation treatment, hold the red lead in a comfortable area where it can be slowly moved over small areas to avoid any reaction to the skin, and work all over the face with the black lead until the program ceases. Remove the gel with warm water and finish with a serum and a moisturizer. Turn the machine off and unplug the power source. Remove and dispose of pads. Clean the electrodes and handpieces with warm soapy water or a cleansing solution, and then wipe the machine surface with a soft cloth and a non-abrasive cleanser. Please store the machine in a dry, safe place, ensuring all the cables are neatly, safely coiled and stored. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. Please do refer to your manual and your instructions, and please use the Carlton Hub as an additional source. If we can help with anything else, we're available on email or please call us. Thank you.